Have you ever noticed this? The moment you start talking about your plans, your ideas, your future, the room gets quieter, not because people are listening, but because they've already decided. Someone smiles. Someone says, "You're thinking too much." Someone reminds you to be realistic. And slowly, without realizing it, you start lowering your own voice. But here's something worth paying attention to. The people who actually change their lives are rarely the loud ones. Why? I've noticed a pattern. People who explain everything are usually exhausted. People who don't explain much move with a strange kind of calm. They don't announce their plans. They don't justify their choices. And then one day, you hear they upgraded their life without asking for permission. So the real question isn't what they did. The real question is why they stayed quiet first. Let me be clear. This is not motivation. This is an uncomfortable truth. If you stay till the end, you won't feel inspired. You'll feel exposed. Because here's the reality. Money is not built by noise. It's built by control. The person who controls their words ends up controlling their time, their energy, and their focus. And that's where everything changes. We were taught to express everything, to share, to explain ourselves. No one warned us that not every listener is safe. Every time you speak too early, you hand your future to someone else's opinion. And opinions are cheap. Here's the difference most people miss. The loud person looks for approval. The quiet one looks for leverage. Now ask yourself, if every day someone questions your direction, where does your mind go? Into progress or into defense? That's why so many people stay busy, but never move forward. Silence isn't weakness. Silence is filtration. It removes distractions. It protects clarity. It keeps your attention from leaking. Here's a hard truth. Most concern is disguised fear. People don't stop you because they know you'll fail. They stop you because if you succeed, their limits get exposed. So they say, play safe. But progress has never been safe. It has only been quiet. The world supports you only while you stay average. The moment you think differently, labels appear. That's why silence becomes a shield, another truth. People who laugh at your ideas rarely watch your effort, but they never miss your failure. So stop performing, start building, because the most powerful response isn't an argument, it's a result. Now understand the real connection. When you speak less, you observe more. You listen to the market. You notice patterns. You recognize problems. And problems are where income is born. People with valuable time don't waste it on explanations. Every justification steals focus. Every debate drains momentum. And money follows uninterrupted focus. Remember this: weak minds sell intentions. Strong minds deliver outcomes. Weak minds ask for respect. Strong minds earn it in silence. And once results speak, words become irrelevant. One final rule: silence only works when action is loud. If you're quiet and stagnant, that's fear. If you're quiet and progressing, that's power. The day you stop trying to be understood and start taking yourself seriously, your voice will get smaller, but your presence will grow heavier. Crowds are noisy. Direction is silent. Now the choice is yours. Keep telling people what you plan to do, or disappear long enough to make the explanation unnecessary. Because applause doesn't come from promises, it comes from execution. If this hit you, comment just one line: less noise, more work.